Warrior Nation, join me today on my experience as I shadow a student and I become a 10th grader for the day. You'll see me documenting my entire experience, and I hope you get a kick out of it as I will. I'm trying to look through the eyes of the student, so let's see how I do. Wish me luck. Hey, we are walking to go get breakfast. Will we make it in time through the line? We'll see. Okay, it's 7:12. We're gonna see how long the breakfast line takes us to get through. Okay, we're gonna see what the orange juice is all about. Oh, where's my phone?
I got it. I
have my juice. Now I'm gonna go to the Commons and see what we're all about.
Dub C.
Okay, so the Commons is dispersing. It's 7:15. Students are trying to get to class. And I've got to make it to the Freshman Academy. Okay, I'm gonna go to class. I have one of our officers, McKinney. He's gonna make sure not to write me up if I'm late. Let's hope. And I kind of have to book it because I wanted to see the Commons, but I didn't realize now I have 3 minutes maybe to get to class, and the Freshman Academy is pretty far, so wish me luck. Okay, I see one of our deans, Mr. Steimel. I'm on my way to Freshman Academy, so happy Friday. Okay, so I found a friend. We are going to Miss McCammon's health class, so let's see what we learn about healthy relationships. So I just got done with period 1 and I'm walking to the Commons, and I think that I'm supposed to probably find a location and stand there waiting for my friends for a few minutes. So we'll see who I run into and if I make friends. We're going to math class. I have some seniors on each side of me. Well, they're going to government, but we're having a good day. Period 2, here we come. Okay, so I'm leaving Mr. Mann's class. I had no idea what was going on at all. And my poor teammates had to carry me, but we had fun. The kids had a great time learning and studying algebra. It was phenomenal. Okay, before 3rd period, hanging out.
She got the J's on.
Got the J's on.
She got the J's.
Troop action. So this is called winding up in Spanish and calling out the student behind me that skipped my class yesterday. Ah, she's here today. So the time is 10:13. I should be in Success, getting ready to watch announcements with my teacher or being in a remedial period. But I kind of wanted to see where some of our students might go when they say they have a pass and maybe they don't. And to be honest, when you're in the hallways alone, it's kind of boring. There's nobody to talk to. And if I was a student right now, I'd probably just be trying to avoid adults, which would probably add added angst to my day, which I probably don't need. So we'll see. Once again, in true warrior fashion, here is my classroom right here. But I have to go to the Commons to kill some time before I go to class. Okay, they're asking me, come on, we gotta go kill time. So let's see if I can make it happen to the Commons, see my friends for a minute, and then back to class. Hi, Isaiah. Okay, once again, I spent too much time in the Commons, so the bell's gonna get me in just a minute. And I'm trying, oh, there's the bell! Does Mr. P count us late? Okay. I'm going to choir. We'll see if I can remember what a jazz square is. And I think I'm in here.
That nothing is impossible. Okay? Yeah, right? You don't have to settle in life. Listen to me. Look at me. This is now me speaking to you. Don't ever put your life in a box. Don't ever listen to someone tell you that you can't do something. You don't have to settle for that. The only one who can tell you that you can't do something is me, because I'll never say it. You can't listen to yourself when you hear it. You can't listen to other people when you hear it. There is truly no such thing as impossible for you. When the glory comes, it will be ours. It will be ours. Oh, glory, glory.
I are trying to make it from Connection Choir all the way down to the Walker Career Center for my cooking class. And I have to go to the restroom, which is going to be a problem because that's not a lot of time to get a long distance. So wish me luck. Okay, so it's time for lunch. I'm going to go through the Commons real quick and say hi to my friends. And then I will try to find a spot, try to get for the lunch line on 30 minutes. So wish me luck. Okay, so I've made it to lunch. Misi and I are going to try to find tables. So I'm going to see if I find a table first and put my book bag down and then go eat, or if I just go jump in line. I'm not really sure, so follow me as I try to figure it out.
You know who you are, freaking.
I know. So now begins the process of scouting out your different options for seats. Okay. So I just ate, luckily, my amazing pizza. So there are two sides to the cafeteria. Kind of figure out which one's which. So far I don't see any students that no, let's look this way. Let's see. So at this point, I see some, look, they're calling to me. Can I sit with you guys at lunch? Okay, can I leave my book back here and then go grab lunch? Yes. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so my lunch friends that I found there's not enough chairs.
Let's do a Snapchat.
Hi.
Miss Frankie.
I'm here.
You got the day?
Got him. Snapchat. So they're telling me that you have to steal a chair. You don't ask, you take. So clearly I asked and I was denied. So now I'm trying to figure out, where do I get a chair from? Will I get in trouble if I stand? Did they come over to you?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try standing. I'm gonna see how long that lasts, but I don't have a chair. So that's an issue. I need a chair. So I found some students of mine at lunch and we're just hanging out. Oh, there we go. They're in. Just hanging out. I didn't really want anything to eat at lunch because I just had pizza, so settling for some chips and a juice. Seems about right. So we'll see how hungry I am at 2:50 when the bell rings. Okay, so they just released us from lunch. It's a big deal when they finally open the doors. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the Commons, hang out, and then head up to Mr. Barclay's class. All right, so lunch was fine. I wasn't too hungry because I just had the pizza, so I just had some chips and some juice. And now I'm headed upstairs to go to Mr. Barclay's room. Hi. And in Mr. Barclay's room, my goal is to see somebody get put in the kitty corner for doing something they shouldn't. Hi. And I need to find Mr. Barclay's room. I think it's this way. So we are now approaching the history corner with all these handsome teachers. And this big guy is going to hopefully teach me a thing or two. So we're doing our chemical reaction in Miss Wiley's class. We dumped aluminum. What was our mixture? Copper chloride. And it changes your aluminum and it kind of sets it on fire. So I just finished my last period, which was chemistry, which was much harder than I was anticipating. I'm now heading to the Commons one last time to say goodbye to my friends before we would get on the bus or we could drive home, and then I will be done for the day.